go to therapy?
Can you go to therapy?
Yeah.
So this is where, yeah, you can go to therapy. But the thing is, they would advise you to not to do and not get close to Allah. That's the problem. And even Muslim therapists, I really would love them to reach out to me and tell me what they're doing, because I have people telling me that they're telling them to do exactly what the non-Muslims are telling them to do, which is like, it's crazy. And they even telling them, oh, it's not jinn, it's not ayn, it's not. You've been trained to do psychotherapy, for instance, or you've been trained to do mental health. You've not been trained to do ruqyah, so why are you talking about it? Why do you have an opinion about it? Doesn't make sense. You're not a specialist in this field, stay out of it. Same way, we're not specialists in mental health, we don't talk about mental health. If you come and tell me you have bipolar, I'm not going to say you don't have bipolar. If you come and say to me you have psychosis, I'm not going to say you don't have psychosis. I'm going to say, okay, you have psychosis, do you? Okay, listen to what I'm going to read. And I'll just read. I'll say, how did you feel? And I'll treat it exactly the same as I treat everyone else. Does that make sense? I wouldn't say, oh, you don't have psychosis. I won't say you don't have bipolar. Same way with them, they shouldn't say you don't have X or Y or Z. They should respect. And that's the thing with Muslims. Muslims, they have respect and open-minded, but they're the ones who are extreme. Makes sense?